Hey, it's Elvis from Builderius. We just shipped a big release. Components, shortcodes, complete new website, new documentation, everything. Let's explore what's in it. Let's go. This is a card component. It has an image, a headline, some description, and a button in it. I'm going to add a label just above the title. It shows up in all of them. These cards are already updated with the same component. Now let's remove the label here. And back in the original template, edit in one place from any place in the builder, and it propagates to every instance of the component. But your changes do not have to affect each instance. That's what properties are for. You can change an image here, change the headline, the button text, same component, unique content. Now, here's what's different with Builderius. This button here, it's its own component. I can modify it right here. I can add static text next to the property to update each instance. And that is not all. Our components work with dynamic data as well. Here is a repeater. Here's like 3 items, 3 cards in a repeater form. And here they are. This is a collection. I have 1 card inside. Now let's bind all these elements of the card to dynamic data. Components with dynamic data, all visual, no code. So that's the component system. Next, shortcodes. I have a slider here, 2 sliders. If I look at this one, I can get the shortcode. I'll go down here, add a shortcode element, paste the shortcode, and click Run. And just like that, we now have a slider implemented. We can also use dynamic data for this. So I'll say slider, click Run again, and it's here. And let's change which slider to show. On this website I have 2 sliders with an ID of 1 and 2. So I'll save here, click Run again, and now we have a different slider. So that's shortcodes. Next up, new website. We rebuilt everything with the new Builderius, and we use it ourselves. The new documentation, completely rewritten, and use the search, it's great. Some items still need to be added, but they are coming soon. So, what does all this cost? We are currently still in beta, so the Pro version costs you $179. It's lifetime license, pay once, and that's it. Once we hit stable, the price goes up to $249. Thank you for watching. The link will be in the description, and see you in the next video.